If you're like me and love some abstract pieces in your bedroom or living space, this one is definitely for you. This stunning LED night lamp will surely brighten your mood no matter what. Not only is it cheap, but also very easy to make. This epoxy resin project is great for first-timers, so give it a try. You can use any type of wood, but we're going with walnut wood pieces and gluing them together using wood glue. Misalignment will give it a beautiful asymmetrical look. With the help of a miter saw, let's flatten out one end of each block. Clean cut these ends with sandpaper. Look at that nice end grain. Mill and drill some holes for the electronics inside. To avoid the formation of bubbles in the casting, let's prepare our surfaces with a thin layer of epoxy. Now let's insert our string light, aka the star of the show. Seal it with some hot glue. Then create a mold. Hot glue will make it weather tight. Okay, mix and dye the resin, and you know what's next? Pour. Pour it in there. Now let it cure fully before removing the mold. We'll sand it using an orbital sander. Gotta bring back the shine, so let's get polishing. Woo! Look at the shine! Alright, let's get back to the electronics. We want to create a simple on-off button onto the side of our lamp. After completing the wire works, let's close the hole with a wooden piece. Time to finish our wood. And here it is, our completed clear epoxy resin and walnut wood fairy storing LED lamp. This is such an exceedingly stunning lamp, although just a little messy, but it's definitely an easy project and well worth it.